find locations of things like where the shaped pillars are, where the gates are, and that kind of stuff. We found we had to take 5 or 6 different maps of the same area. Like one book would have this plate and this plate and this plate, but none of the plates would show connection between point A and B that happened to be on the line we needed to find. So we'd have to like build the root pages out, take them together to be able to draw the line things. This is really, I don't like to sound paranoid, but I do think there must be something to the fact that this is the information age. They're putting out tons of information everywhere. Yet the key information, like how do these parts of the brain relate to each other? You can't even easily find them on a diagram together. Well, now you can. I'm sure there are some medical textbooks, but we looked at the internet, as was going through the internet, to try to find them, because we wanted to, when we begin to show these structures, we want it to be correct. We don't just want to like draw a little blob in the center of your head and say, there, your pineal's in there somewhere. I want to show you where it is. Because at this point, when we're running frequency, it helps to know where what is, and it helps to know where what does. Because we're going to be shown things about activating our systems. We're going to be shown things in this web show about how the gate alignments, the stellar gate alignments up there, have a direct effect on the angle the electromagnetic frequency comes in to the body and to the brain. And if it doesn't hit at the natural angle, it doesn't activate the natural systems in the body, but it does something else. Right now, we have myopia of our pineal eye, our Litouli eye, which means I believe it's short-sighted, where the frequencies are supposed to come in at a certain angle through the eyes, but also through the top chakras, and they come in and fall short of where they're supposed to hit, as if they're not hitting the retina of the eye. So it literally changes the whole interaction of frequency in the brain. It not only shuts off part of the vision, it changes brain chemical manufacture. This is tied in totally with what they call the amygdala. I guess science is just starting to look into more about what it's about. They've already traced that it has something to do with the fight or flight control system of the brain. It produces certain chemicals that then go talk to other areas of the brain that send it down the brainstem and talks to the adrenal glands, and it sets the whole heart, adrenal, all that adrenaline, emotion, all that kind of stuff. Our whole fight or flight instinct has been controlled by this myopic lens distortion in our heads. And that's not all. Our reproductive facilities have also been controlled by it, where it has changed the character and the charge in sperm and egg, where it has made short that the mutation propagated itself. So each generation would have a little bit stronger